All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing something that I am so excited about. I am so excited because I am doing my very first unboxing of a BoxyCharm box. I'm so excited. I got it for my birthday, which I am so excited about. I love watching unboxing, so I'm excited to show you what's in mine. This is how I got to this look. Obviously not all the products are in the box. It only comes with 5 products, but if you want to see what those 5 products are, please keep watching. Okay, so to start the video off, I just want to say I did not buy this BoxyCharm for myself, but I'm so excited to have it. I have a subscription till October, if I'm not mistaken. I got it for my birthday. One of my friends, Maria, bought this for me. You can check her out in my Lady Gaga video, which I will link below. I've been dying to try it and I haven't done it yet. So to start off, I want to say that I got my box for May, and I also got a gift for joining. She also gave me the gift, which I've never heard of this brand, but it's cool to get a full-size palette. As we go through, I'm gonna just put it on my face and go about like the makeup look. So does that make sense? So we're just gonna go a product at a time. So to start, the very first product I'm gonna be talking about is this Hey Honey Come Clean Mineral Facial Scrub. It purifies and exfoliates with dissolving salt, crystalline minerals. First, we're gonna be trying out this facial scrub. So in every box, I'm sure a lot of people are up to date on what a BoxyCharm is. I'm behind, obviously, never got one before. So it comes with this cute little like card that tells you like what's in the box and explains. So about the scrub, it says a rich exfoliating dead sea salt scrub designed to be gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Dead sea crystalline beads buff away dead skin cells, rehydrate the skin, and restore depleted minerals. The result, clearer, smoother, and brighter skin. So this retails for $29. I'm guessing it retails for $29 US. Gently massage the product into clean skin. Gradually add water until all mineral crystals are fully dissolved. Massage the resulting lotion into the skin. Rinse with warm water, and it's for all skin types. Okay, so I didn't realize there was gonna be a scrub in the box. So I do have my eyebrows on, I won't lie. All I did was cleanse my face with nothing on it, but we're gonna use this scrub anyway. So we'll go around the eyebrows. This is a full size, I'm guessing, because it's a pretty big bottle. I haven't heard of this brand before, but I'm excited to try it. I like trying new things. Okay, let's do it. Oh, gotta take the thing off. Very gritty and rough. Ow. It smells really nice though. You can definitely see how gritty it is, and it's starting to dissolve, which I like in a exfoliator, because I don't like something that stays like super rough and then you have to like take it. I don't like that. So it's definitely getting less gritty, which is nice. It feels nice on my face. I'm excited to see how it feels after. Oh, my face is so soft. It took a while for the crystals to dissolve, but I liked it so far. We got one of my favorite products actually in this box, which is so exciting because it's a full size, which is amazing. But we got the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer from First Aid Beauty. Hello. Love this. It's a full size. I literally have like one right next to me, which is amazing. So we're going to use that as a moisturizer kind of, because it's very hydrating. Also, there's another primer in here. So it says on here, it's formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients. This complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. The result is beautiful, healthy looking skin when worn alone, and long lasting makeup when used as a prep step. This is $30 US. For the full size. So I'm going to apply that to the face, and I can vouch for what it just said there. I know this is a great product. I literally love this product, so I'm not going to ever complain about it. If you haven't used this before, I highly suggest investing. So moisturizing and so soft on the skin. It's crazy. And it does really brighten your skin up, which is so nice. Like, look at the brightness I got already from this. I love this. So far, very happy. I never heard of this brand either. This is Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer. This is a fresh, oil-free, dewy finish. It's as easy as prep and set with this new face product. To create the perfect canvas for a seamless application while giving the skin a luminous effect or a shine-free matte finish. It brightens, soothes, and boosts skin's boost skin's radiance. $15 US. I like this packaging though. Look how cute it is. It's like a little like pump in the thing. It's nice. I don't know if anyone sees that, but it's like a little green color. Anyway, so we're gonna apply that on the skin, and hopefully we get like a nice hydrating. It smells a little flowery. I don't know if people like that smell. If you don't like the smell of flowers, it's probably not your best bet. It doesn't have that like tacky finish, which I normally like in a primer, but so far not gonna complain because, you know, we're trying something new and Hopefully this gives us a little bit of radiance. Do I look more radiant? Not really. Whatever. It's hydrating though. I'll give it that. I'm going to quickly throw on some foundation on top of this and I will be right back. Now that I have foundation on, I didn't put any concealer. The next product in the box is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. So this is what it looks like. It is supposed to be used on top of the Shape Tape concealer. So I did wait to do my concealer just so I can use it on top just to see if that's actually what it is for. It looks very like glowy in the package. This is nice packaging though. Like they really stuck up with like, you know, the Shape Tape look. It's nice that it has a little spongy on it too. Well, the sponge comes out too. Look at that. So this is the shade Alight, and it says in here, an instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focus finish, includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. This retails for $27 US if I'm not mistaken. And we're going to apply my concealer underneath. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just going to go underneath my eye like I normally would. So this one is the shade Medium Light Sand. And we're going to take a little bit of the light as well and just apply a little bit here too. And I'm just going to apply a little bit over the eye as well just to give me a little bit of a base for the eyes. So now we're going to take this glow wand and I'm going to apply it underneath the eye and on the high points of the face. Oh, it looks like a lot comes off on there. I don't know if I want that. So we're just gonna, I'm scared. Okay, we're just gonna apply a little bit. Looks almost like translucent, not translucent, but like very like sheer. That's what I was going for. So I'm gonna apply a little like here, maybe on my nose, my lip, chin. Maybe we'll put a little bit like where we would put our highlighter, I guess, too. Anyway, so we're going to use our little sponge on the back to see if we can blend this out nice and see if it makes a big difference on like giving us a nice under eye brightening. It does give you like a very dewy like look. I don't know if I would say brightening. I would say it's very dewy. If I'm being honest, I don't think I like this under the eye. It is brightening, but I just don't know if it's my cup of tea for under the eye. I do like it on the rest of the face. Like I got like the glow that I like, but like I don't know if I like this under the eye. I feel like it's a little too much under the eye. Anyway, I'm gonna throw on some bronzer and blush and then we will be right back. Now that I added some bronzer and some blush, oh, what is happening? I see a little bit of a glow on it and I don't necessarily not like it, but I just don't know if I would put it under the concealer or on top of the concealer the way I did. Like it says to use it. I feel like I would use a more hydrating concealer maybe. I don't know. So now we're going to go to the last product in the box. The last product is Ciate London Shadow Flip Multi-Chroming Shifting Liquid Shadow. This liquid shadow has shade shifting, color flipping pigments. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look in just one simple step. The color appears to change as light reflects off the contours of the eyelid and eye crease. This retails for $20 US. So I also got this as my gift. This is Bee Beauty, and this is the Barbarella Palette, which I also have not used, but I will show you what how it looks like. Pretty simple, has nice colors in it. So I'm going to use a transition shade from that and then we will go into the big guns, you know. So we're gonna go into the shade Johnny, this one here. We're just gonna apply that in the crease and along the lid. I just want to have this liquid shadow be able to blend into something. I mean, we'll also use this to blend it out after, but just to like have something. So we're gonna go into this liquid shadow. This is the shade Ember. This is very shiny. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've had some bad luck with the Ciate London products, so I am excited to try something new. This is like cool. It like shifts from like green to yellow to red. This is cool. Okay, hopefully this is pigmented because I will cry if it is not. Oh yes, it is pigmented on the lid. Oh, it does shift. That's cool. We're gonna apply this on the whole lid for now. Okay, so it is not super blendable, but the color is very cool. So I'm gonna take a little bit and go under the eye with this as well. It doesn't really blend out that well. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You know, I'm not one to lie on my channel, so I'm gonna tell you the truth. Like there's not much of a blend happening here. Let's try with another shade. So we're gonna go back into this Barbarella palette, this color Oliver over here. And I just wanna see if maybe we can get it to like blend out a little nicer. I'm gonna throw on some lipstick and mascara and I will be right back. And now that I'm back, I got some lipstick on and I put some mascara on. I'm gonna go back into the Barbarella palette and I wanna go into this shade right here, Coffee, I think it's called. And we are going to apply a little bit of an inner highlight. That's what I want to do. Ooh, these are creamy shadows, actually. Oh, yes. Look at that. I barely touched it. I didn't even need to wet the brush, nothing. Okay, I love that. This palette gets an A+ just for that one shadow. But anyway, this is the finished look. I'm excited that I got to get a BoxyCharm, and I'm so excited to see what I'm going to get from now till October. Plus, I'm going to probably continue anyway. I will be doing a monthly unboxing. As for my thoughts on the products in the box, the scrub I liked. My face was very soft afterwards. It felt really nice. It was a little hard to get the grittiness from like the crystals in the scrub to melt down quick, which I guess it depends on the person. That's a very personal thing. So I'm not going to say no to it. I'm going to keep using it because I really like the way it made my skin feel. Obviously, the coconut smoothie primer / moisturizer I love, so I have no bad things to say about it. I bought it for myself, so getting a free full size in the box, no complaints. Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer. I'm going to say yes to the hydrating, no to the dewiness. I don't think I got dewiness from this product personally. I don't not like it. I did get a lot of hydration from it, so I will try it again just to see, like, maybe putting it on top of the smoothie primer was not the best idea, but we'll try it out and see what we think about it again. I got to just keep trying it. The Shape Tape Glow Wand. I don't know if I like it for under the eye per se. I did like it putting it in like the high points of my face. It looked really nice on, especially on a no makeup look. I feel like it would look stunning. So I do like this, and I probably won't put it on top of my concealer underneath the eye again, but I do really like it. So it did what it said it was going to do. The eyeshadow, the Ciate London Shadow Flip. I like the color. It's cool because it does shift green to red to yellow. So it does have a nice shift to it. I don't think it's super blendable in a personal opinion, and it does kind of like roll off a little bit if you add a little bit more on top. So that's not my favorite. It did dry down fairly quickly too, so that could be part of the issue, but I did try to do one eye at a time. I don't know if this is my favorite product in the box, but it was cool to try out. Next, the Barbarella palette. I didn't get to fully use this, but the 3 shadows I used from this palette I so far really liked. So I will be doing a video with this eventually, because this color in my inner highlight, I barely touched a shadow and it was on my face, not wetting, nothing. It was beautiful. So I definitely do want to try this palette out a little bit more, but so far I like what I see. I'm so excited that I got to try these products. I love BoxyCharm. I always love like seeing people do the unboxing, so I was so excited to do my own. If you like videos like this and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know like what you want to see, because I love doing stuff like this. Like if there's a different product you want to see, or even you want to see more BoxyCharm videos, please let me know. And as always guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.